Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny e-commerce apps. Inside today we need to see this here the Swift UI parts. Inside making here the subcategory list UI we need to develop here, and we need to click here the any one categories and show like this here the UI we need to opening here and making like this UI we need to develop here. How to create here? First of all, we need to go here the screens shop folders and to make this here the new file, and we need to give this here the name Swift UI view subcat screen and create like this here. You need its list. You need to develop here the where list array brackets. You need to set here, and already you need to prepare this data. You need to put here like this data here. Now we need to make here the UI. We need to throw here the z stack. First of all, we need to make here, and we need to set here the nav hide. We need to configure here for this UI, and we need to go inside here the shop tabs. First of all, we need to copy this here the app bars. We need to paste here. Now need to creating here this as text. We need to copy of this line of codes of the stack. You need to set here inside here the v stack original vertical stack, and we need to put this here like this codes, and we need to set here the space of this code like here, and we need to go inside here the top. Now we need to make here remove this here the this stack, cut here, paste this here between here the space. We need to set here the like here with this, and we need to make here the another buttons. Need to copy and paste like here, and we need to set here the max left like this UI, and we need to change this here the icon name. So need to set here, this is to find out here the icons of item sf icons. Now need to copy these names, and we need to here replace with here and show like this here the resizables and scale to fit. We need to set here like show good icons now, and we need to use this here the center icons like here centers category, and I need to set here the background colors. I need to set here the background color bg like yours, and we need to set it this years. Now I need to create here the scroll view, remove this space bar, and to write down here the scroll view like here's integrated here's. Then after we need to set this here the view all items. We need to set here the first of all the stack scroll view, maybe need to set it end of line. I need to first of all the make here the round button, set here the titles view all items, and on press event look like this show here's. Also need to set this here the padding. Need to set here the 15 for this UI, and look like this here the showing here's. Then after we need to show this here the choice category text titles. We need to put here's. Now need to copy anyone here's, set here the colors foreground style, and we need to set here the color dot secondary text like here, and we need to set here the max left, and also need to set here the padding horizontal 20, and we need to check this here the font size. We need to 14 medium m14. Use this here the font. It's this is the shortcuts variables we need to declaring here and to set it here, and this is are the put now need to draw here the lazy list view need to develop here. We stack like here's row like this errors, and we need to put this here the list array dot count. Give this here the index of I, gets here the object as list array index of value. Like we need to put it here for this UI as we need to self call this here the id dot slash dot self, and make sure this list need to set here the padding horizontals maybe 30. And we need to set it here to set here the text button labels void make here labels, and we need to set here the object name property. You need to call here as string. If not gets, then to like this value need to show here, and 16 regulars or 16 regular points need to use here primary text max left and show like here's remove this padding, and need to set here the frame. Need to set here the width 55. 50 is good for this UI, and set it here and show like this here. Now need to make here the dividers for this UI. We need to create here the V stack. Close this here. Set this padding here. Creating here the V stack. This liner code, and we need to make this here the new view rectangle our corner dot fill color black opacity 0.2, and we need to set here the frame, set here the height 1, and no needs any limits, and maybe decrease this here less shaders. So like here this UI are the making here the duns, and one more thing, so need to configure this here the back buttons. Create here the binding variables where mode colon is equal to need to this here present mode brackets inside, ending brackets inside present mode. Copy here, and we need to put this here the ref value dot dismiss, like we need to calling here, and we need to configure this opening this screen, so need to go here the steps movement tabs, and we need to set here the click events for this UI. I need to configure here the button UI. Set here the dot foreground style, color dot primary text, like here, and make here the button actions. Like here, cut this here. Need to cut this UI. This bracket like here, and we need to convert into the new link, and we need to give this sets here the subcat screen like here. Here declares here sub environment like it's slash present. Need to make mistake now, need to fix here. Now need to go inside here the e-commerce app. Need to check here the navigation view after here this main tab. Now we need to check here, click here, and opening this here the category view. Also here like this, change this here, and working good, Sunny, no issue. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down this comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.